Bitch, are you fucking serious? Say it. Sorry. You fucking serious? Spray this bitch.
Did you tell him to turn the air out? Yeah. Because when you have the air off, it's best to germs.
You want to spray that? The right one. I'm stupid like that. Cover it. Sit your ignorant ass over here by me not knowing I'm a whole fool, bitch. The right one. There. Keep on. You'll be alright. Call whatever you want. I was gonna need 3 or 4 of them. With all the fuck shit. Wrong is wrong. This freaking pandemic ain't over. They're about. Motherfuckers gonna get their ass on here sick and they cough and fuck in your face. And then, no, sir. Sir, you need to be more aware of what's going on your bus while you're telling me to watch my language. You need to watch who you let on the bus. You got sick individuals on the bus. And, okay, well, I don't care about you. You can't tell me a motherfucking thing. Fuck you. Fuck you and what you're going through. You're not getting coughed on. Come back here and I'll spray your ass too. Shut the fuck up. Orderly. What is she talking about? Yeah, this bitch is protector. She back here coughing on me, not you. Shut the fuck up. What about my mom? What about my mom?
About your mom.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say. My mom's with all the fuck shit too. She's on her way to come get me. Yeah, we roll deep. What the fuck is she talking about? Fuck you. Then tell this bitch to come sit next to you and cough on you. That you're her protector. That's what you need to do. Have her come sit next to you. Fucking bus police tell me when I can cuss and when I can't. Fucking dumb.